Connor's got hiccups. Come on, grab on tight, man. Oh no. You don't want hiccups anymore. You hate your hiccups, man?
Maybe if you just give him your fingers.
It's okay. You want this, man? Does it help out? Is he pushing something? He's kicking me. You want this? No. What you want, man? What you want, man? What you want,
Give
man?
him your finger to hold on to.
Come on, man. Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Just hold on tight.
Hold on tight, man. Hold on tight.
To help.
You feel the hiccups coming? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. You get rid of them. You get rid of them. You get rid of them.
His
You get
grip
rid of
is
those
so
hiccups,
strong.
man. You get rid of them. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. You want to kick? That helps. You like kicking? He hates hiccups. Do you want this, man? Come on, man. You want this? You want this? No. You don't want that. Man. God, you got it. Just grab on, man. Just grab on. Connor. Connor. It's okay.